Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Firebase Security Rules for user data step by step clearly. To begin, access your Firebase console. Navigate to the Firestore or real-time database section, depending on your project needs. Identify the collection or database you want to secure with rules. Open the Rules tab to view current security settings. Start by defining the rules structure with basic read and write operations. Use the service keyword to specify the database type. For Firestore, use servicecloud.firestore, and for real-time database, use servicefirebase.database. Next, implement rules for user authentication. Utilize the request.auth object to check if a user is logged in. Write conditions such as request.auth equals null to enforce this requirement. For Firestore, structure your rules to narrow down access to specific documents. Example, match/user/user ID sets rules for individual. Add condition checks to ensure users can only read and write their own documents. Use request.auth.uid equals user ID to restrict access accordingly. For real-time database, the structure is similar but may differ slightly. Define paths in the rules for different data sets you want to protect. Incorporate allow read, if, condition, and allow write, if, condition, for each path. Test your rules using the Firebase simulator to ensure they function as intended. Adjust rules based on feedback from the simulator. Ensure that your security rules are not overly permissive. Revise them to cover all necessary data access scenarios for your application. Once satisfied with the rules, click the Publish button to save changes. Continuously monitor and update your security rules as your application evolves. Keep your documentation up to date for future reference on rule structures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.